This short video, we're going to do a service, 50-hour service on a TE20. So this old babe's got a bit of work done. So it's had to play on there for a few days. And it's time to give it a service. So the 50 hours is up. So I think we'll just give it a full service. We'll change the plugs. Or even maybe clean them once they're on the last time. So we might just need cleaned and reset. That'll be one job. Points are a bit burned out there, so even burnt looking. So might just take them out and clean them and reset them. And our next step after that will be to change the oil filter. I'll take the oil filter off there. Loosen the bolt here. And drain the oil into the container. And loosen the plug at the bottom there. So we'll change the oil. And just the oil filter. Part number. And we'll put in the GM 1540 oil. Maybe some oil stabilizer to keep up the oil pressure. But the engine's fairly well worn, this wee baby, so the hours is in the miles and the years is up, so still going good. And we'll check the gasket in here. Make sure the fuel flow is good. So we'll set her this setting and take off the glass bowl. You want her making the spider's legs coming out. And the same when you flip her over to Caro. So that's a mixture of petrol and Caro. That's full Caro on the side. This is off in the middle. So once we have the service done, we'll put her back to work. So we'll be using the QTB filter and the GEM 1540 oil, maybe some stabilizer to keep the oil pressure good. And we'll clean the plugs, reset them. When we clean the points here, we'll reset them as well. So just keep tuned for the next video.